Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Check your Dell model, current Windows build, and BIOS version so you know what options to expect. Next, confirm Tpm 2.0 presence in Windows Security or Device Manager and that Secure Boot is supported. This saves time. Prepare a USB recovery drive and note the BIOS entry key, often F2 or F12, so you can reboot directly into firmware. Once done, restart and enter BIOS. Make sure to move quickly so the system doesn't boot into Windows. You now enable TPM and Secure Boot inside the BIOS. Once in firmware, go to Security, locate TPM or PCHFW settings, and set TPM to enabled or active. Some Dells show physical presence or clear options. Do not clear, just enable. Then navigate to Boot, set Secure Boot to standard or enabled, and if asked, pick Microsoft Platform Key. Save changes and exit. Back in Windows, verify TPM shows as 2.0 and Secure Boot reads enabled in System Information, so Riot Vanguard can. You finish by confirming settings in Windows. Run msinfo 32 and check that Secure Boot state is on and TPM shows version 2.0. This is the target. If Valorant or Riot Vanguard still errors, reinstall Vanguard, reboot, and try again. Use safe mode for a clean uninstall if needed. If problems persist, update the BIOS to the latest Dell release, reset Secure Boot keys to default in firmware, and only then contact Dell support if the TPM hardware is actually absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.